friends, welcome to Chatterpix. Let's take a look and see what we're going to be doing today. Hello, I'm a brontosaurus and I'm extinct. I used to eat plants. You can learn more about me when you come to the library if you go to the 560 section. That's the dinosaur section. Are you ready to make your pictures talk? All right, let's get started. Everyone, today we are looking at the app called Chatterpix. When I tap on it, it's going to start to make a little noise, so moose. There we go. Now, I've opened my app before, so I do not have a song, but if you've opened this for the first time, you are going to have a song, and you will get a black screen, and you will get a drop-down menu, and it wants access to your photos. So you will click on the second one down that says allow access to all photos, and once you tap that, you're not out of the woods yet. A new one will appear, and it says Chatterpix would like access to your camera, and you will hit OK or allow, and then again, another white box appears, and it will say Chatterpix would like access to your microphone. And again, you are going to click OK. Let's begin. Now, if your screen is like this, you're going to start with take a photo. And when you do, you're going to find something to take a picture of. So for me, I have a picture of my dog. And ta-da! Got a picture of my dog with his favorite blanket. You will notice at the bottom that there is a microphone with a line on it. That's to tell you you're not ready to record yet. So you're going to place your finger on top of your photo and draw a line where you want the mouth to be. Now, that looks a little low for me, so I'm going to start again. So you can see that I can do as many lines as I want until I get it perfectly. Let's try that. You see that the line at the bottom across the microphone is gone, so it says now you can record. Are you ready? Let's think for a moment. What would my dog say? Why are you bothering me? I just want to take a nap. All right, let's check it out. Why are you bothering me? I just want to take a nap. Now, if I like that, I'm ready to go on. Up in the right-hand corner, you will see the word next. If I don't like it, I can try it again. I'm going to tap on the microphone. Oh, I'm so hungry. I really want some treats and a nap. Phone. Oh, I'm so hungry. I really want some treats and a nap. I'm okay with that. It's not the best, but I think I'm fine. We're going to move on to next, and you'll see across the bottom that I have different ways of making my photo look even better. So I think I might want to try black and white. Ooh, that looks good. Or, ooh, a sepia tone. I'm just going to go back to the original, and I think I would like maybe, let's see. Oh, maybe my dog should be wearing a hat. So when I tap on the hat, I can bring it up, make it smaller or larger. I can tilt it. There we go. And now I think I'm good. I'm going to hit next. Phone. Oh, I'm so hungry. I really want some treats and a nap. I think I like that. I think it's great. If not, I can hit the trash button and start over. So the trash button is at the bottom left-hand corner. In the bottom right-hand corner, it says save my work to my camera roll. That's important if you're going to be showing it on Seesaw. Saving it to Seesaw or saving it anywhere, you definitely want it in your camera roll. So I'm going to tap that, and it says exporting it to the camera roll. It takes a little while because it is a video. You're going to want to tap on the screen and go to next. And in here you will find your gallery. So this is kind of like a bank, And this shows you all of the ones that you've done before. Some of them come with the app. The sticky note, the house, and the dog will already be in your gallery. That just comes right with the app. But you can see some of the other animals that I've done with my students over the past couple years. All right, what you're looking at is Seesaw, and this is how to upload your Chatterpix to Seesaw. Now, my view is from a teacher standpoint, so it might look slightly different. So what I'm going to do is go to an old media lesson. I'm going to tap on Add Response, and I am a sample student today. And the template that I've created and the other media specialists have created should pop up. So on your template, you are going to tap the photo button, and you are going to tap Upload, and you will see it goes directly into your camera roll. So if you hit Recents, here is the one about my dog. I hit the check mark, and it is processing, and it should appear on my template so that we can share our Chatterpix. And we're waiting, and we're waiting, and we're waiting. Ta-da! There it is. And so I can put that right on my template. I can hit check, and it will upload, and then all of the world can see my creation. Well, not all of the world. The people that have access to my Seesaw account.